Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Have you felt lately like you're a little run down, maybe like you're catching something? I want to show you this homeopathic medicine that I think has been helpful for me. So this is the Oscillococcinum. And this works naturally with your body, and this stuff is great. So I have found it to be really helpful when you are feeling kind of run down, and it just kind of gives you a little bit of a boost. And especially during cold and flu season, it's kind of nice to have it on hand just in case. There are little tubes in here, and each of these has granules inside. And all you do is dissolve the granules in your mouth fully, and that is it. You can take it up to 3 times a day according to the package, and it tastes really good. It basically just tastes like rock candy. So if you like rock candy, then you're gonna like these. But I found them to be really helpful, and I do like to keep them on hand in my medicine cabinet when I feel like I am getting run down or starting to get some cold symptoms. So if you are looking for something to try for those type of symptoms, then I would check this one out. I really like it, and that's my point of view.